Hello, students. Today we are going to begin Chapter 3 Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Doshi from Vistas. And here, before proceeding the chapter, I would like to give a brief introduction of our author, that is Tishani Doshi. She is an Indian poet, journalist, and dancer based in Chennai. She was born on December 9, 1975, in Madras, to a Welsh mother and Gujarati father. She writes a blog titled Hit or Miss on Cricinfo, a cricket related website. Her most recent book was published in 2017, Girls Are Coming Out of Woods. So, this is all about our author, and now I would like to proceed for the brief introduction of the chapter. That is this is a chapter which narrates about human evolution, and Antarctica was part of a huge tropical landmass called the Gondwana land, which flourished 500 million years ago. Geological, geographical, and biological changes occurred, and Antarctica separated and moved away, evolving into what it is today. A visit to Antarctica gave Tishani Doshi a deeper understanding of the Earth's history, ecology, and environment. Tishani Doshi, she visited to Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent in the world, aboard the Russian research vessel Academic Shokolaski, gave her a deeper understanding and a better perspective to the damage caused by human impact on Earth. Antarctica, though unpopulated, has been affected, and there is a growing concern for its half a million year old carbon records trapped under the ice sheets. The Students on Ice program takes high school students to Antarctica to create awareness in them, the future policymakers, and help students realize that the threat of global warming is very real. So this story, it is just about global warming and whatever the changes are occurring in current years that will be seeing in this particular chapter. And here she is she also is describing like we had existed a mere 12,000 years ago and have caused tremendous damage and played havoc with nature, and population explosion, it is a major concern. And we are having lot of strain on available resources, carbon emissions, fossil fuels, and global warming have all resulted in climatic and ecological imbalance that have affected Antarctica too. Like the Students on Ice program, they took an initiative. It was took an initiative by a Canadian educator, Geoff Green, and he takes students for future policy makers to Antarctica to just create an awareness among them. And we'll go through this chapter and we'll find out how beautifully she have described how if we want to know the present and past and the future of our Mother Earth, we must go to Antarctica and visit. There we will find how drastic changes are taking place in our land, that is motherland. So if we go through, we'll find out how Earth is just facing a change day by day, and that we are also if we say we are also witness of it, how we are facing so many kind of problems due to global warming, and lots of changes are taking place, so that all are highlighted in this particular chapter. So through this video, I hope it will be helpful for you to understand how it changed a lot. It we had a change in our nature. So hope you understood. Thank you.